Everyone, this is Queena. Today I want to talk about why does everyone talk about drink more water, right? Why is it so important? I just want to highlight 3 key benefits. As many of you know, our body comprises of 70% of water, but what is less commonly said is that bloodstream, our blood, right, has more than 90% water. And as you know, blood is the key organ, right, or key element to carry oxygen throughout your body, and that means water is essential to have a clarity of mind, because with enough water then your blood can flow efficiently and effectively throughout your body, so that you can have a clarity of mind, so that you can work out very effectively, right, so that you can feel less tired as well. Because if blood flow very fast through your body very efficiently, that means you have enough oxygen throughout your body, right, versus someone who is dehydrated. And that also means that if you are working out, doing strenuous activities outside the house, right, outdoor, you need enough water, because then water will keep you hydrated, it will keep your energy up. And that also means that that also implies that then enough water or hydration is so key to having a satisfying or fulfilling sexual life, right, in bed, because that is definitely involving strenuous activity. Now, benefit number 2 is that it definitely is essential in an effective bowel movement or digestive system. Now think of your digestive system like a toilet bowl, right? Can you imagine the times when your toilet bowl is stuck, right? Because there's just not enough water going through, or something is stuck. Why is that? Normally it's not enough water, right? Now, with enough water, toxins can be flushed out very easily and very efficiently, and ideally you should have 1 bowel movement per day. Now, why do we need to flush out all these toxins from our body? Because if we don't, it accumulates in our body, and our body will naturally, right, heal itself. It's trying to protect your key organs from all these toxins, and at the same time then it cannot perform its key functions of balancing your health, right, your overall well-being, right? And then the third benefits is, of course, then very high priority on all women's list is that weight loss. If your body is pre-filled with a lot of healthy water already, plain water, there's no room, right, for a lot of unhealthy soda, unhealthy sweetened juices, unhealthy junk food. So with that said, let's move on to the soup today. So today's soup, I call it the Hydrating Herbal Soup. 3 simple herbs. One is the yuzu, and then after that we have goji berry, and then we have sliced abalone. Alright, on top of that, we need to add in winter melon and also pork bones, yeah? Now, for people who are vegetarian, you can remove the pork bones, right? And also you should remove the sliced abalone. But what can you replace with is then you can replace with carrot or corn. Now, put in water, and of course you blanch the pork first and rinse all the ingredients, and you put in the water and you put it on high fire, and then you are ready to go. Basically, you just boil. Now, because I am short of time, so in my case, I do not want to stand there and wait for the water to boil before turning to low fire. I just turn to low fire first, even before it is boiled, yeah? And then basically I just let it boil longer a bit, yeah? Now, as you can see, the bubble is really starting to bubble, and this is about 1 hour later. This is how it looks at steady state, right? I really like to, I don't know about you, but for me personally, I really like to see how the chemistry of the water react with the fire, right? All the ingredients, how it moves, like it's kind of like a dance against all the heat, against all the water. Now, and this is about 2.5 hours later, how it looks, yeah? You see the colors already changed, right? Because of the sliced abalone and the goji berry, the color already came out a little bit, so it changes the color. And of course, right, after about 3 hours or so, we dish out the soup. And today's soup is so nice, I do not even need to add salt. It has that great balance of tantalizing taste, great balance of savory sweet, right? And really love it, right? Really hope you enjoy this. Thank you so much, right, for your viewing, and I really hope you will drink this